Congrats on your registration. You're all set up and ready to start connecting. Let's walk through how to book your first meeting and make your first valuable connection. First, make sure you're available for others to reach out. Go to your avatar in the top right corner and open your dashboard. Under the Book Meeting step, select My Availability. Here, you can mark or unmark the time slots when you're available for meetings. Once your availability is set, head to the participants list. Use the filters on the right side to browse more efficiently. For example, select Investors to view only investors, or narrow it further by choosing Investors from Spain if that's your focus. When you find someone you'd like to meet, click the plus sign next to their name. Write a short message explaining why this meeting would be valuable for them. This increases your chances of getting an acceptance. You can also start a private conversation right there. Next, you can let your meeting partner choose the time and location based on your shared availability, or you can suggest your preferred time and place. Once done, click Send Request and wait for their response. To keep track of everything, click the handshake icon in the top navigation bar. That's where you'll find your pending meeting requests. You'll also receive email updates about your sent and received requests. If someone has requested a meeting with you, you can accept it and select a date and time, or decline if you're not interested. This helps them know where things stand. Check your upcoming meetings anytime under My Schedule or on the Meetings page. For virtual meetings, you'll find a Join Video Call button right there. Before you start, quickly check your microphone and camera so you can begin smoothly. And that's it. Your first meeting is set up. You're ready to start building valuable connections.